All right, I'll be gentle. Interesting. All right. All right, so this is my first time riding this bike. Appreciate John for letting me ride around a little on his CRF 480 Honda. It was originally a 450. This is a Supermoto, meaning it was kind of like a dirt bike style. But it's it's got street tires, and it's just overall kind of modified for street use a little bit. Yeah, it originally had a 450cc single cylinder thumper, and then it was bored out to be 480 cc's. I believe it was bore, not stroke, that was modified. It turns really kind of weird, and like I really have to pay a lot of attention to the way that my body is positioned, because like I don't know, I gotta like intentionally lean forward on it. Also, I was going a little quicker than I expected there, but yeah, it's a fun bike. I'm saying it's a fun bike because I've already got a big smile on my face, but I've only gone over one street and then up, so I guess we got turn signals here. Whether they work or not, I'm not positive. There we go. Whoa, it wants to stall a lot too. There we go. Turn the turn signal off. Crazy. Maybe I'm not I don't know if I'm not letting the clutch out the whole way or what's going on. How do you turn the turn signal off? I mean, I think I got it, but I don't know what I did.
Just press it a second time.
Okay.
This switch is an aftermarket thing because my clutch used to hit it before.
Okay.
But yeah, there's no like reset. You just press it again.
Okay. All right. Also, I don't know. I think like downshifting coming up to a stop, I stalled it again. I don't know if I didn't have the clutch pulled in the whole way or just kind of getting used to the throttle with it.
It's different. It does take getting used to. I do want to say you have to have it pulled in all the way.
Anyway, I'm enjoying it. I'll go around a little more if that's all right.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry, I'm just thinking here, having a lot of fun. It is a little taller. It doesn't feel crazy tall when you're on it, but yeah, I haven't ridden bikes like this quite. I don't know. My words, my yapping is not working. And then in the top end, it's kind of like, I don't know. You can tell it's tuned for down low for sure. Especially after riding my R6 a whole lot. The R6 is completely the opposite. No power down low, tons of power up high. So yeah, just different. I feel like I'm gonna like lug the engine or something, but it's like fine with it. It's interesting. It's like pretty stable, like a little bit less on the flickable side, but I don't know if that's gas or oil or what was spilled there, so I'm gonna try to avoid running over that. Probably just water or something, I don't know. Sounds good. was excited to talk about what I was experiencing here for the video, but I don't know, I'm just having fun, man. I don't know what to say. I mean, it's like, it's hard to explain how, like, it's a little resistant to lean. It just wants to kind of stay upright. I mean, I did notice the rear tire is a little bit flat. Not flat as in low air, but, you know, flat spotted. There's, you know, sides are curved, and then there's a little bit of a flat spot going across. I'll probably go over this way too, but anyway, so I don't know if it's just the, you know, flat spotted tire that's that makes it feel like it doesn't really want to like lean unless I really want it to, versus the R6 is like if I lean just a little bit, it's going, like it wants to go whichever way I want to go, but I don't know. Yeah, the engine's just really fun in this thing. The little thumper, well, big thumper, I suppose. But yeah, it's interesting. Like in some ways, it's like really easy to ride. Like when in motion, I feel like it's not very intimidating. But then like in like, I don't know, technical maneuvers, like I feel like I have to like throw it around. Like it'll do it. You just have to really like, I don't want to say muscle it, but it's like you really need to be intentional about your body movement, kind of exaggerate your body movement in order to get it to kind of do what you want. So, I don't know. It's just different. And then I feel like the idle's just like really low. It's probably fine, but I'm just not really used to it. So like, I feel like it's prone to stalling, but again, it's probably meant to be like that. I just have to give it a little more throttle before I'm gonna go first. I'm using hand signals because I forgot this thing has a turn signal. The bike I rode to work doesn't. Today. You alright?
Yeah, I'm trying to learn right now.
You're what?
I'm trying to learn right now.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright.
Got any pointers?
I don't know. Here, I'll run back over. What'd you say? You keep stalling it?
What about to say?
I mean, don't be afraid to give it a little throttle and then just be really slow with the clutch.
Yeah, I keep stalling it.
Yeah. Here, I'll meet you over there in a second. This isn't my bike, it's my buddy's bike, so I'm going to give it back to him and take mine, and I'll meet you over there. Yeah. Well, that was fun.
You like?
I like. That's steep, dude.
Yeah, it's fun. I try to jump over it. I'm actually going to throw that back tire up a bit.
Okay.